Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel, and today we're doing a quick review of Readspeaker. Now Readspeaker claims to bring natural text-to-speech to any content or application. It has dynamic AI voices for your organization, online, offline or any platform. The only voice solution you will need. So let's get started with the review. Now, Readspeaker is a text-to-speech tool with notable strengths in making digital content more accessible. Its pros include offering natural sounding voices, supporting a wide range of languages, and providing various customization options for the listening experience. It's particularly beneficial for individuals with reading difficulties or those who prefer auditory learning. However, some potential drawbacks include the pricing, which can be complex and potentially expensive for smaller users, and occasional reports of a less intuitive interface compared to some alternatives. While generally high quality, some users have noted inconsistencies in voice naturalness across all options. But despite these points, Readspeaker remains a powerful solution for enhancing accessibility and engaging a wider audience with your content. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.